Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about 5 secrets to investing in cryptocurrency. I truly believe that this is the future, and if you understand exactly what I'm saying in this video, you, my friend, can create wealth like never before. So please listen up. Okay, so before I start, I want to let you know that cryptocurrency is something that a lot of people either really understand or don't really understand. And the reason why most people don't understand it is just because it's so new. But let me tell you how cryptocurrency came about in the first place. First, people know that the American dollar or any currency in the world is going down. And so in order to beat inflation, it is best to put your money in a different place that can grow much faster than any other account in America. So for example, instead of investing in a company or in real estate or putting your money in other places, you can put your money in crypto because more people are beginning to believe in it. Another value proposition of cryptocurrencies is that you can trade money with other people faster than ever before. Instead of swiping a credit card or wiring money or writing checks, you can send people money in minutes. There's no need to wait at the bank or send money orders or use Western Union or MoneyGram. You can send people digital money instantaneously. Now the reason why I'm telling you all this is because a lot of people believe that cryptocurrency is a scam, or they believe that it's a something for nothing proposition, that you're just throwing money into some system and somehow is going to generate revenue for you. So that's why I'm giving you some reasoning so that you understand, yes, there is some substance when it comes to investing in crypto. Now let me get into the 5 secrets I want to share with you, because like I said before, if you understand these, it can make you rich. Here I come. So the first secret to making money on cryptocurrency is to understand the market capitalization. And basically, this is just a fancy term for how much money is actually in a particular market. So for example, Bitcoin has a valuation of over $1 trillion. That means that there's so many people who trust Bitcoin, so much so that they've all invested a combination of $1 trillion. Now keep in mind that $1 trillion is a lot of money. That means that there's more money invested in Bitcoin than some countries' entire economies. So the first thing I'm looking at when I'm investing in cryptocurrency is how much money did all these people put into one particular coin. And if I see that the market cap is pretty high, that means that more people are likely to invest in it. Now if I see a coin with a lower market cap, it doesn't mean it's not a good investment. In fact, it can be a better investment. All it means is that not enough people have built up enough trust in order to invest in it. So market capitalization is only one indicator that I use personally to make a decision about which cryptocurrency to invest in. Now the second thing that I look at is circulating supply. And what this basically means is how many coins are actually out there for one particular token. Now token or coin are basically synonymous words, so if you hear people saying I have these tokens or I have these coins, it's the same thing. Now that I got that out of the way, let me explain 2 cryptocurrencies right now. There's one cryptocurrency that we all know named Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a circulating supply of 19 million coins. Now in the cryptocurrency world, 19 million coins is pretty low. Now let's talk about another coin that's completely different than Bitcoin, named Shiba Inu. Now, if you've heard of Shiba Inu, one thing you have to know is that it has a very high circulating supply. Instead of 19 million like Bitcoin, Shiba Inu possesses 549 trillion coins as of today. Now that's a very high number, and because there are so many coins out there, the price of a Shiba Inu coin is very cheap. Now if you're willing to invest a couple hundred or a couple $1,000s into Bitcoin, you won't even have one of them, because the price of Bitcoin is very high. Now price is dictated by 2 things. The number of coins circulated out there, which is called circulating supply, and the market cap. So obviously a token like Bitcoin has a large market cap and a low circulating supply, but Shiba Inu in comparison has a very small market capitalization and a high circulating supply. and that's why the price is well under a penny. Now some people might be asking, is it possible that Shiba Inu can ever get to the price of Bitcoin? And the answer is absolutely not, because there's too many coins out there. And even if you have millions of coins, then it's impossible for so many people to invest in this coin so that it gets to the price of Bitcoin right now, which is about $50,000. Okay, so the third thing that I'm looking at when I'm buying cryptocurrency is the trading volume. What this number basically means is how many dollars are being traded among investors. So for example, if someone is buying and selling a coin so many times, that means that they know that the price fluctuates all the time. Now obviously all coins fluctuate, but there's some that are more stagnant than others. When I'm looking at a particular coin, I want to make sure that the trading volume is lower in comparison to other coins. This basically means that investors want to hold onto this coin more than other coins because they feel that the value is going up. And when more investors collectively feel that the value is going to go up, it's more likely that the price will skyrocket. So what I'm basically saying is that if you find a coin that has a low trading volume, that means people are invested in this project. They know that they don't want to give up their coins because they're afraid that they might not be able to buy it back at that price. Now this actually takes us to the fourth secret of investing in crypto. Because to me, I believe that one of the most important things that you want to look out for is trading activity. As an investor, one of the most important things that I'm looking out for is hold time. This basically means how long are people willing to hold each individual coin. There's some hold times that are only a couple hours, then there's some for a couple days, and then there's some for several weeks. What I'm basically saying is that if you see a coin with a longer hold time in comparison to other coins, that means that investors are unwilling to sell because they believe that the price is going up. This is a clear indicator that it's a safe investment. If you put your money into a coin that has a high market cap, a low circulating supply, a low trading activity or trading volume, and a longer hold time, most likely it's a safe investment that will earn you money. Because like I said before, hold time is a clear indicator that people aren't willing to give up that coin. Now one of the things that will bring this all together is studying the past performances of a particular coin. When I see a coin, I like to understand how it's done in the past. One of the best coins that I ever invested in is a coin that I call Anchor. Now I don't know if it's called Anchor, but it's basically spelled ANKR. And when I bought it at 5 cents, I saw previously that it was trading at 20 cents. I knew that at some point it would reach that number again. So I bought over $100,000 worth of it. Eventually when it hit 21 cents again, I quadrupled my money and made over $400,000. Now I knew that this was a good investment based on the indicators that I gave you. I knew that the market cap was high. I knew that the circulating supply was low. I saw that the trading volume was pretty stagnant. There wasn't that many trades going on. And I also noticed that the hold time was pretty long compared to most coins. You see, I made this investment because I understood the 5 things that I'm sharing with you today. The market cap was pretty good. Enough people were invested in that coin for me to have enough confidence in it. Then the circulating supply was pretty low. It wasn't as low as Bitcoin and it definitely wasn't as high as Shiba Inu, but it was good enough for me to make the right investment. I also knew that the hold time was pretty good. It was long. It wasn't the longest possible, but it wasn't the shortest possible. And the trading volume was pretty low. I also looked at the past performances because it gave me a clear indicator that the price was going up. So that's how I invest in cryptocurrencies. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below or write me an email at info@danielalley.com. My friends, if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with someone else who really needs it. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to all the money that you make through cryptocurrency. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.